Hi everyone, we're going to open this sweet Disney Frozen Little Kingdom, Anna and Sven today. This is from HASBRO, number B5187. This is one of the snap-ins that I did not have. My husband watched the video and he bought her for me because I didn't have Anna. Super cute. I like the graphic of her on the front here. And then even at the top, her and her sister. There's Olaf. Really, really cute. I've been trying to figure out, do I want to open this? Do I want to keep it in the box or in the packaging? And I want to be able to do the snap-ins, put the little carrot in Sven's mouth. So I'm going to open it. It's already kind of open anyway. Along the bottom. So let's go ahead and open her up. So here we've got little Anna and little Sven. Super cute little toys. Let's see how tall Anna is. She's nearly 3 inches tall, and so is Sven. Her clothes are pliable plastic. Her cloak is also, look at her cute little pigtail braids in the back. Her clothes are removable. And I'll take them off and show you all the different pieces in case you come across them in a lot. You'll know who they belong to. This is one of her snap-ins. Her snap-ins are all the same. They're these hearts with gold diamonds hanging from them. They snap into her dress. And that's how she looks with her snap-ins all in. All the holes are filled. And then she's got this little antler crown that she can wear. And she looks like Sven. Really, really cute. Love these little toys. Her head turns side to side. Moves up and down. For great animation. Her little arms move up and down. Her little legs move up and down so she can sit. How cute is this little doll? Then Sven, he is so super cute. Look at this little guy. His legs don't move. He's just a stationary toy. Doesn't have any features to do different poses. He comes with this carrot. You can put it in his mouth and it'll stay. Anna can give him the carrot. Here you go, little Sven. How sweet that is. I love this. Now I want to remove one by one each item so that you can see these 3 little snap-ins. And then here's the antler tiara, her costume. Here's her cloak. It's really cute. Here's her top. And then she's got this wraparound overskirt. As I've shown you before in my videos on these snap-ins, this overlaps so that it closes completely around the doll. And then this is how the underskirt looks on the dolls. It's got a little gap here, so if I ever come across these and I don't have the full outfit, but I have the underskirt, I'll flip these around backwards. So if you do flip it around, it's not nearly as cute. And then there's a separator in the middle, so that both the legs have to go down on each side, but she can wear it. And even if you just have the doll in this underskirt, it still looks cute if you can get it all the way pulled up. So I like that about her. This little inset on her chest is where the top snaps in. You can see it right there. It is heart-shaped. And then here she is with her painted on, always dressed outfit. It's a black bodysuit and black wedge shoes. She's got a pretty little face with freckles, green eyes. She is a cute little doll, and I'm so happy to have her. I hope you liked my little Anna and Sven. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.